no longer online once you are on 7 digit reservation, so please continue to fill in all available space. Thank you.
I don't know why they... I was gonna say, I don't know why they didn't air condition that particular part. Oh, sweet. It said fill in all the available space, so...
You see the movie? I don't know what it is.
Dude, come here. You gotta check this out.
I don't. I assume. Is there?
TRON Legacy.
Yeah, I bet you they're on Disney Plus.
Already?
Yes.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Hey, dude, what?
Oh my gosh. Guess we're not going that way.
Team Blue, welcome
Come on,
to the
come on.
ring. Proceed to games.
No, this happened. Thank you. Are you guys together?
It launches. Yeah, it launches. It launches. Yes, it just launched. You've done a launch before, it's fine. You launched on... I don't think it's that bad. I really don't know, but I don't think it's that bad.
For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. Su seguridad. Permanezca sentado en su light cycle en todo momento.
Look.
Do you really?
Well, you know how when my nerves act up.
You're fine. I promise. You'll be fine. All right. You can go around that side.
Once on your bike, lean forward, grab the handbar, and pull towards you.
There. Pull it. Oh, that's fine.
Pull the handbar down towards you, and push forward. Make sure you're locked. Thank you. Push forward, make sure you're locked. No picture.
I think we're good. How you? You're fine. Are you okay? Is it too tight?
No.
Okay.
Next level one. I'll let you talk me into this.
You wanted to go.
Well, I didn't know what it was like.
Prepare for Team Blue Light Cycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
Hey, it's not so bad.
Initiate in 3, 2, 1. performance and victory for Team Blue.
Users. See?
And I never want to do it again.
Really?
It tore my face off.
Looks like it.
Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
So I grab all this.
That way, go that way.
Oh, that way? Sorry.
Am I?
So are you okay?
Expect you to follow the arrow.
You sure?